Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video. And I want to talk briefly about being able to generate $100 or more plus daily, okay? And also in this video, I want to share with you a principle that we talk about in our program, okay? And this principle is 3 things that you need to transform your life. And this is all related to being able to generate, okay, $100 plus daily, okay? So stay with me for the next few moments, because I really do have some exciting information that I want to share with you. And be sure to stay now to the end of the video so that you'll hear about the 3 things that you need to transform your life. Okay, so what I'd like you to do, if you would, if you have a desire to check this out, pause right here and go through each point. I'm going to cover just a few of the points here on this page, and then it's going to be here so that you can look at it whenever you want. But the first point, benefit-wise, is that it's going to cost $100 one time out of pocket, okay? And then you'll be able to receive multiple $100 direct payments to you, okay? There's no admin fee, there's no website fees, there's no auto ships, there's no monthly fees of any kind, all right? You're also able to choose the payment processors that you desire to use, okay? This is a peer-to-peer funding program, and I call it affectionately a peer-to-peer funding made easy system, okay? It is a give a gift and receive a gift program, okay? Now, this is not a gifting program in that sense, because there is a product that is involved, and the product is the secret 3 pages, okay? And plus you'll have the rights to market the program. Now, it's a $100 one time out of pocket for the secret 3 pages. Now, the secret 3 pages is approximately at this time the size of a 15-page Word document, and it's still growing, okay? And the secret 3 pages is a powerful, very powerful mini course on personal transformation. And so I'm going to leave the rest to you to go over this page and see the benefits and features of what we're offering here, okay? Okay, now the secret 3 pages blessing program, or what I call the blessing program, might be what you're looking for, and it just might be what you need to change your life and to start generating extra income for yourself starting today. Now, the secret 3 pages contains life-changing information, okay? It is a Cliff Notes type of mini course dealing with the subject of personal transformation. That's why I want you to stay now to the end of this video, so that you'll hear about, in part at least, one of the principles that we deal with in the mini course, okay? Now, each page of the system that I use to write the mini course in can hold the equivalent of 5 or more Word document pages. Okay, so if you have 3 pages, then you can have anywhere from 15 to 20 plus pages of material. Okay. Okay, now in essence, the secret 3 pages is equivalent currently to 15 plus Word document pages and is power packed with life-changing information. And our 3 pages is growing every day in terms of content, because I'm adding principles and concepts that are, I'm telling you, they're extremely powerful. Okay. Now I share with you some of the most powerful, concise concepts and principles for personal transformation and self-discovery. Okay. And there are more details on my website, and I'm definitely going to leave the link so that you can go there and take a look around. Okay. Okay, now here's a power thought for you today, and it's one of the principles in part that I share in our mini course. Okay. And in order for you to transform your life, you need at least 3 things. Okay. In order for you to transform your life, you'll need at least 3 things. I wonder if you might know what those 3 things could be. Let's look at them. Okay, you're going to need courage, definitely. You're going to need commitment, okay? And you're going to need hard work. And but look at it like this: hard work is in what we do. Hard work is fun work. Why? Because you're developing your life, you're growing your life, you're changing your life for the better, and it makes it that much more interesting and fun. And the reason why I say hard work, because there is definitely some work that we have to put in if we're going to transform our lives. Okay. Okay, so one of the vital principles that I share in the secret 3 pages is called shaping up your life. Okay, and I've got to change that. I made a boo-boo there. But the secret 3 pages mini course, the principle that I share, one of the principles I share is shaping up your life. Okay. Okay, now, if you desire to transform your life, it's important to shape up your life, And you begin to shape up your life by, I wonder what that might be. Let's take a look at that, and then we'll close out this video today. Okay, now you begin to shape up your life by focusing on your life. And in our course, we walk you through this so that you can really grab hold of, okay, and beginning the process of transforming your life in a positive, significant way. Okay. Okay? Okay, so be sure to grab the link in the description area of this video. Go to my website, check things out. I do have some other videos that kind of share this program. All right, and what you want to do if you're thinking about making some extra money is learn what this program is, and get involved. All you have to do is just share the information, okay, and you're able to earn $100, okay, when somebody else comes and gets involved in the program. All right, and it is extremely powerful. $100 plus daily, $100 payments paid direct to you. All right, and golly, what about hearing about the 3 things that you need to transform your life? I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and magnificent day today. Bye-bye now.